Okay, now this is the situation. Could you please? Could you please? We already learned, but now I would ask some question adding could you please, and you will have to reply. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, while seeing the screen, you have to reply, but I'm expecting you to add your expression while speaking it. And if you're getting any sentence or word which you're not understanding the meaning, then you can clear. Okay. Could you please lower my fee? I'm going to get here admission and I'm asking to lower my fee. Means I'm asking for discount. So could you please lower my fee?
Okay.
Also, I can ask using another sentence. Would you please giving me a discount on my fee? Would you please if I ask you to lower my fee? Also, I can use would you please lower my fee? Okay, so how would you answer? This is your answer. At the most, I can lower. Please speak it.
Okay. Would you mind giving me a discount on my fee?
No, I spoke it. I spoke it. Now you have to add the answer.
Okay. Uh,
At the most,
answer.
I can lower 5% and this is my absolute limit.
Okay, okay. At the most, I can lower 5%, and this is my absolute limit.
Yeah, can you understand the meaning of this sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
At the most, it is clear?
मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा
Yeah,
5%
maximum to maximum, I can allow you 5% discount, and that is my absolute limit. I cannot give it
limit.
more than this. Huh? Okay, so please add your expression.
At the most, I can lower 5%, and this is my absolute limit.
Perfect, good. Okay, could you please tell me about your problem so that I could help you? Answer.
Doing that, I will weight of my mind.
Okay, so weight of my mind, can you understand the meaning of this? Weight of my mind means in Hindi we say कि हमारे दिल का बोझ हल्का हो जाएगा. Means we will feel light if we share this thing.
Doing that,
Yeah, doing that I'll weight of my mind. Doing that means कि ऐसा करके मुझे अच्छा लगेगा doing this thing. So sharing my feelings, sharing my problems, I will weight of my mind means I will feel light if I do this thing. Huh? If I share my feelings with you. Okay, so I'm asking like, could you please tell me about your problem so that I could help you? So how would you answer? Doing that, I'll be weight of my mind. Yes, I would like to share my problem with you.
Weight of my mind. Yes.
Okay, now you have to read the question. Please read the question.
Could you please tell me about your problem so that I could help you?
Yes, I hope you can translate the question. Can you do it? If I had asked you in Hindi, then would you be able to translate in English or not?
क्या आप आपकी प्रॉब्लम मुझसे शेयर कर सकती हो ताकि मैं
Yes. Okay. Okay, could you please do me a favor? Here I'm asking for help. Could you please do me a favor? एक एहसान करोगे मुझ पे? एक काम कर दोगे मेरा? That is this kind of sentence. Huh? Could you please do me a favor? And now you can answer being, you can say a bit of a helpful person. So I'm ready to carry out every order. जैसा आपका आदेश in हिंदी भी सही है ना, जैसा आपका आदेश मतलब कि हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा बैंड हो जाते हैं. We are going to be more flexible and we are ready to carry out every order of someone. Then we could answer this way. Also I can say I'm at your disposal. मतलब मैं आपकी सेवा में हाजिर हूँ. इस तरह का ये flexible word है, but we hardly use it. We are, I think we should pick. Please tell me how can I assist you? Please tell me how can I assist you?
Please tell me how I can assist you.
Yes. Okay. So could you please do me a favor? Please add your favorite.
Please tell me how I can assist you.
Yeah, assist you means how can I help you? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Could you please lend me your hand?
Could you please lend me your hand? Okay, sure. How I can be your help?
Yes, how can I be your help? मतलब किस तरह मैं आपकी help कर सकता हूँ? And second one option, of course, why not?
Yes. मैम इधर off लगेगा?
Yes, yes. This is advanced way to say the same thing. How can I help you? So, how can I be of your help? How can I be of your help?
How can I be of your help?
Yes, this is a bit advanced one. Okay. Next one. Could you please come again? Come again means I'm asking you for repetition. I couldn't hear you
Yes.
properly, so I'm asking
Could
for
you please try
repetition.
it?
So could you please come again?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
sure.
Yeah, sure. Okay, sure. Okay, could you
Okay,
please
sure.
move a bit? Move a bit means could you please scoot over? I'm asking you to move a bit and let me sit. So could you please scoot over?
Yes. Yes, please be seated. Please be seated. Oh, okay. समझ
Okay, last one. Please add last one. If you are not, miss, if you don't allow me to sit, then how would you? Negatively present.
Sorry.
You have to read last one. It is a
Okay,
negative one.
okay,
Means
okay.
you are not going to allow a person to sit.
Okay, okay. I am afraid to say. I am afraid to say, but I have limited space to sit. Would you mind taking another seat?
Yes, because all the time you're not going to agree, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, so sometimes we have to say no. And if we are really comfortable saying all the time yes, but we have to say no, so how would we add an answer? That's why we are learning here adding no. So, being very polite, you are going to not
I
allow
am
that
afraid to
person to
sit.
sit. So, I'm afraid.
Okay.
I'm afraid means it is a very polite expression to say sorry when we feel very bad to say sorry because we couldn't allow something. So I'm afraid it doesn't mean like you are afraid or you are scared. Okay, I'm afraid means you are very polite to say sorry because मुझे बहुत ही अफसोस है. I'm really feeling bad that I have to say sorry. Okay, this is the whole meaning of the I'm afraid.
Okay.
So I'm afraid to say, but I have limited space to sit. So would you mind taking another seat? Please speak and add your
Don't mind.
expressions. Hmm.
Yes. I am afraid to say, but I have limited space to sit. Would you mind taking another seat?
Yeah, good. Okay. Could I please borrow your pen for a couple of minutes?
Yes. Yes. For sure.
Okay. Could I please try a coat on? Try your coat on means I'm asking your coat to check it for some time. Means I want to wear it only for some time to check it. Okay, so could I please try your coat on?
Okay. Could I please try? Could I please try your coat on?
Yes. If that person
Okay.
is really quite
Try on.
familiar to you, so you are going to react like this. Hey, come on, don't be formal. इसमें पूछना क्या है in हिंदी भी से, right?
Yes, please.
Yeah, so hey, come on, don't be
Come
formal.
on. Don't be formal.
Yeah, मतलब इतनी
Don't be.
formality मत करो. Don't be formal.
Okay.
Yes, add your expression, not okay. Could I please try your coat on?
Yeah. Come on. Don't be formal.
Okay, then I will take it. Okay, could I please take this seat?
Yes. This is taken.
Okay,
Can
so I am adding here, could I please take this seat, or this is already taken? Or this is already taken. It means, is this already taken, or it is means I can sit here? Okay, so how could you respond like, yes, this is taken, if that is reserved
yes,
then?
this is taken.
Hmm,
You may sit somewhere else.
yes. Okay, please sit somewhere else also, you can say.
Please sit somewhere else.
Yes, and if that seat is available, then you can say, yeah, of course, you may sit here.
Please have your seat.
Yes,
Please.
please have your seat. Yeah. Okay. Could I please leave now? Suppose you are in the middle of the discussion or middle of in the meeting and you want to leave now. So how would you say like, could I please leave now? So how would I respond? Please add all these examples.
Okay, you may leave now.
Mm-hmm. Second one.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Is
Okay.
there any?
Is there any urgency? Is there any urgency?
Yes.
Huh?
Do you have any plan to be somewhere?
Yes. Last one.
Are you supposed to be somewhere else?
Yes. Are you supposed to be somewhere else? क्या आपको और कहीं आपने टाइम दे रखा है? Okay. So, could I please get your 5 minutes?
Yes, for sure.
Okay, but suppose
Yes,
you
please.
don't have time, then how would you respond?
I'm in hurry now, so talk to you later.
Okay, please read all.
Mm, don't mind, please. I will talk to. Sorry, don't mind. Please, I will talk to you later because I am in a hurry right now.
Yeah.
Mm. Would you mind if I talk to you later? Actually, I am getting late for some urgent work.
Yes. We have covered all these situations which I have mentioned here, right?
Yes.
But if I had asked you so, would you be able to answer like that? I don't think, right? So that's why I added all these answers so that you could have your practice and you could be prepared for the coming situation when I'll be going to ask you any question out of these session, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll have to be ready. Okay. Could I
Okay.
please ask
Okay.
one thing? I'm in mood of asking any questions, so I'm asking you. Could I please ask one thing? How would you?
Yes, please.
Yes, you're free. You may ask. You are free to ask.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Would you please pass the water bottle?
Yes. Here you. Here you go. Here it is.
Yeah, but when it comes to your
That means.
situation, when you have to encounter this situation, I don't think you will speak something. You will pass the bottle and only, and you won't speak anything. So that's why I've created here. Here you go means कि ये लो in हिंदी में हम से कहते हैं ना कि ये लो. So this is your bottle,
Yes.
or here it is, or here it is your water. Here is your water. Also here you go. Here you go means ये लो in हिंदी we say.
Here you go.
यस हेयर यू गो कहते हैं. इट साउंड्स लाइक वियर्ड है ना कि मतलब इसका मीन नहीं आ रहा है बट इट इज
Yes.
रियल. हाँ हियर यू गो मीन्स ये लो. ओके.
Okay.
वुड यू प्लीज क्लोज द डोर?
Okay. Yes, sure.
Yes. Okay, but all the
I'm
time
doing
you
it.
are not in mode of doing work, and most often we get the reply from our brother if we just say any work to do. If we ask anything to do, so how do they react? Our brother
I
just say that
wouldn't.
I wouldn't, है ना, नहीं करूँगा. You
I
always
wouldn't.
boss around, हमेशा order देती रहती
You
हो.
always boss around.
Yeah, you always boss around. Boss around means order देती रहती हो. You always keep giving me orders.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Would you please pass the salt?
Yes. Here you go.
Yes. And sometime what happens, we also
Yes.
ask like, here is your salt. Anything else? Here is
Yes.
your salt. Anything
Many
else?
times this sentence used in movies. Here is your salt. Here is
Yes.
your.
Yes. Yes, but actually we observe it, but still we are not comfortable using. Why? Because we haven't had our practice here.
Okay.
So here is your salt. Anything else? Here, if you don't have your practice, you will fumble here. You will make a lot of fumble. Here is your salt, and then you will fumble. Anything else? So to combine it to get a flow, you need to have your practice. Like here is your salt. Anything else? Please speak like this.
Here is your salt. Anything else?
Yes, good. Okay. Would you please be quiet? That is quiet, huh? It is not quiet. It is quiet.
Yes.
Would you please be quiet?
Okay. Sorry.
Suppose I didn't realize, huh? I'm speaking something and you are studying, then you can say, would you please be quiet? Okay, sorry. It means here I said only
Sorry to
okay
this.
and sorry, but it
Okay.
sounds like I'm really regretting that I made mistake or I just made here noise. Okay, so I'm saying okay, sorry. Okay, so I'm
Okay. Sorry.
expecting to add the same expressions. Okay, if you can't feel English, then okay. Sorry to distract you. I'm sorry to
Sorry to
distract you.
distract you.
Okay, and
I will.
what would be the reply and response from our brother side? I wouldn't. Do whatever you want. I means negatively we can answer.
Yes.
I
At
wouldn't
any.
at any cost. Okay, I wouldn't. Why you always mess with me? Means
Yes.
also we should be prepared negatively. Huh? All the time we are
Yes.
not going to say yes. Okay.
Yes.
Would you please speak a little louder? Little louder. I'm not able to get your voice clear. So
Okay.
suppose I
Sure.
say. So how would you add your response?
Okay. Sure.
Huh. Suppose I spoke here something you couldn't hear. Huh. So you said like. So how would you say? Please add your question.
Uh, could you please speak a little
Louder.
loud?
Hmm.
I'm not able to get your voice clear.
Okay. Sure. Yeah, sure. So हम यहाँ
Yes.
पूरा expression आया ना. मतलब okay means here कि I was not able to understand like you are getting my voice or not. Now it is clear.
Okay.
So okay. Sure.
Okay.
Huh. So that's why I added here 4 times why.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. So while
Okay.
saying okay,
Sure.
you can express the whole thing. If you are
Yeah.
feeling the English language, then you can do it. I hope you'll do it. Okay. Would you
Okay.
please come
Okay.
again? Would you please come again?
You please say it again.
Yeah. Would you
Would you
please say it
please?
again? Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, sure. Yes. हमें इतनी ही इंटेंस तक जाना है इंग्लिश के कि हम उसे फील कर सके पूरी तरह से. Okay.
Okay.
Would you please make the bed? अच्छा हम यहाँ 3 रिप्लाई ऐड कर रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड ये 3 रिप्लाईज. I don't know how to. Means we are making here excuses like we are not in mood of doing anything, and now you
Okay.
asked me to make the bed. Then how would I respond? I don't know how to. Okay. Second one. Why would I do it? So this is a straightforward reply.
Okay.
Why would I do it? Okay. And the last
Yes.
one. Yeah, sure. Being
Yes, sir.
formal. Being formal. Yeah, sure. Okay. 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 Would you please fetch a glass of water? Add your answer.
Oh, sure.
Yes. And this is most interesting thing. Like suppose anything I'm saying and you can relate to that thing and you means you agree with that thought. So you can say sure thing. Yeah, sure thing. मतलब सही बात है. In Hindi we say सही बात है. Or sure thing. It makes sense.
Yes.
Suppose this is example. I'm saying here, don't talk unnecessarily or else your words won't be valued. And you want to say सही बात है, सही है. In Hindi we say.
Sure
So
thing.
how would you say sure thing? Yeah, sure thing.
Sure
It makes
things.
sense.
Sure
Okay.
thing.
You found it really means a good thing. Or it has make sense. It make any sense. So it makes sense. Okay. And also
Makes
you can
sense.
add I haven't given thought to this. It means कि मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं इस बारे में सच में इसका मतलब सेंस बनता है.
Okay.
I haven't given thought to this. I haven't given thought to this. You can add any time if you have really not, if you haven't thought about anything. Suppose I asked you, like, what would you like to be after, okay, in your second birth? So you'll think and you'll say, like, I haven't given thought to this. सच्ची में इस बारे में मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can use
It
this
makes
line
sense.
for that situation. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And now I think we are quite tired learning, huh? We are not going